Hear my cry, a broken spirit humbly kneels. Wash me, cleanse me from my sin. Let your grace my heart reveal. Against you only have I strayed. In shadows deep my soul did wrong, but hyssop dipped in love's pure light will bring me blameless to your throne. Restore to me the joy, O Lord, the joy of your salvation free. Renew my soul, make pure my heart. Let praises rise eternally. Create in me a heart so clean, a steadfast spirit strong and true. Cast me not from your presence, Lord.